Today's agenda, got the suitcase up in the Central. Go to room 112, tell them Blanco sent you. Feel the strangers, if no money exchanges. I got these kids in ranges to leave them niggas brainless. All they told is stainless, you just remain as calm as possible. Make the deal go through. If not, here's 12 shots, we know how you do. Please make your killings clean. Slugs up in between, they eyes like true lies. Kill them and flee the scene. Just bring back the coke or the cream, or else your life is on the shelf. We mean this, Frank. The cats we fucking with put bombs in your mom's gas tank. Let's get this money, baby. They shady, we get shady. Dress up like ladies and burn them in dirty 380s. Then they come to kill our babies. That's all out. I got gats that blow the wall out. Clear them all out. Fuck the fallout. Word to stretch, I bet they pussy. The 7 digits push me. Fucking real. Here's the deal. I got 100 bricks, 14.5 a piece. Enough to cop 6, buy the house on the beach. Supply the peeps with jeeps, brick a piece. Capiche? Everybody getting cream, no one considered the leech. Think about it now, that's damn near 1.5. I kill them all, I'll be set for life. Frank, pay attention, these motherfuckers is henchmen. Renegades, if you die, they still get paid. Extra probably, fuck a robbery. I'm the boss. Promise you won't rob them, I promise. But of course, you know I have my fingers crossed.
This is going to be part 4, I believe, of the FXR build series. And as you can see, we have the motor assembled. And it's looking pretty good. I'm happy with it. So we got new Connolly push rod covers. That's about the only new thing we've gotten. Oh, we got an Andrews EV27 Cam and an SNS steel breather gear. That's about the only upgrades, so to speak. The rest of it's just putting it back together. So I think it came out pretty nice, pretty happy with it, and ready to get it thrown into this frame and get some type of roller status going. So the way I did this, I filmed most of it, tried to film most of it, but it's gonna be broken up into like 5 videos probably. I'm just gonna put them out back to back to back. So I hope you enjoy that. I just wanted to give a little preamble here before those started coming out. So this is what we finished up with, and then the next following videos, you're gonna see the process all the way from the oil pump to the final assembly. So I skipped a few things here and there. My camera started shutting off. Just general YouTube shit. So I didn't do too good of a job towards the end. I kind of just let the filming slide, and sacrificing the filming for the actual technical putting the motor together. So I hope you guys don't get too upset about that, or it doesn't really hamper the flow too much. But with that being said, here are some of those install videos.
In the morning you go gunning for the man who stole your water, and you fight till he is done, but they catch you at the border, and the mourners are all singing as they drag you by your feet, but the hangman isn't hanging, and they put you on the street. that you're not a gambling man, then you'll find you're back in Vegas with a handle in your hand. Your black cards can make you money, so you hide them when you're able. In the land of milk and honey, you must put them on the table. Yeah, you go back, Jack, do it again.
Alright everybody, that's the oil pump installed. It was pretty painless install, straightforward. The only thing that's kind of a pain is the wood drift keys. You gotta have some manual dexterity to get those in, but other than that, pretty easy. Torque to spec. I think the book calls for final torque of 90 to 120 inch-pounds, so that's kind of where I put him in at, about 90 inch-pounds. So hopefully it's all buttoned up, it doesn't leak, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So little side note, I had some of this hardware laid out here on this towel in the beginning, kind of insinuating that it goes with this oil pump. It doesn't. So we got some wayward hardware here that we got to figure out. I think this is cam cover, maybe, I don't know. I'm usually pretty good about keeping track of hardware, but I don't know where this goes. I know it doesn't go for the oil pump. So we got some extra parts left over. That's never good, but fortunately I don't think these were ever intended to be part of the oil pump. So we'll figure out where these go, and we'll move on to the next order of business, which is probably going to be either cam chest or doing some work on the heads as far as lapping the valves and getting the valves back in the head. So we got to take some measurements on the cam chest. We got to fit some piston rings, check some end gaps, and just do some little stuff here and there and keep chugging along.